everyone, welcome to Amuna Foods. Today we are going to make chicken curry. Very easy, simple recipe. Here we've got chickpeas, 2 onions, 1 aubergine, 3 carrots and a few potatoes. We've got here 2 tins of chopped tomatoes. We've got the main ingredient there, chicken. We've got curry powder, 1.5 tablespoons, ground black pepper. We've got the cooking oil, the salt.
We're also going to be using some single cream. We're going to be using about 300 ml of single cream and just adding that into the curry as well.
So I'm now going to just turn the fire on. Onions. Going to add the curry powder. Cover it now and leave it to cook for at least 10 full minutes before I add the chicken. This is now ready actually for me to add the chicken. Just adding our chicken now. I'm just going to add a little bit of water. Has been cooking now for the last 15 minutes, so we are going to add our vegetables. I'm going to leave this to cook for 5 minutes, then I add the potatoes. Cook up for another 5 minutes, then we add other things. The carrot and the aubergine have been boiling for the last 5 minutes. I'm going to add the potato. I'm adding potato later because potato tends to soften too quickly and we don't want it to, get too mushy in the soup. It's coming up very, very nicely and it's smelling lovely. I can almost taste it. We're just going to serve our curry, chicken curry with rice. So I'm just going to boil really plain boiled rice. You put any amount that you know is suitable for you and your family. This is what I think will be enough for us. We're going to wash this rice until the water runs clear. You rinse it about 2-3 times should be enough. The rule of making rice is 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. What I do normally, this is another way. I want to show you another way. You put your thumb like that, and you can see the water is reaching the joint of my thumb there. That's how I measure that, you know, the water is enough.
The rice is now on the boil.
Now we are ready to add our single cream. Can you see? Oh my goodness. Now we are going to leave it to cook 10-12 minutes, and then the food should be done. Adding now our final ingredient, the chickpeas. This food is full of everything. The protein is there, the carbs from the potato, you know, all the vitamins you need. It's all locked up in there, in one pot. Okay? We're adding the chickpeas last because it's already cooked.